Hello guys!
Alright people, we're digging post holes and we're putting bamboo posts in for the electric service. I wanted to use wood, but they don't use wood around here and all the neighbors use bamboo. So that, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. We're putting in bamboo posts. Digging post holes and putting in bamboo posts.
Yeah.
So,
let's go! Ito pala guys yung aming lupa na nabili.
Post holes and putting in bamboo posts.
So ngayon is maglalagay kami ng wiring para sa bahay. So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung ginagamit namin. Kadalasan dito ay yung bamboo. Ito na lang yung gagamitin namin para magsilbi yung poste ng wiring. So ito, mainit. Mainit dito sa Pilipinas. Malapit pala guys yung dila ko kasi may singaw. Nagkaano ko ng singaw. Kaya hindi masyado akong makapagsalita at hindi ako naka-vlog na ilang araw kasi masakit pa rin yung dila ko kapag nagsasalita.
So what's all that mean? You want me to translate?
What? So,
get ready to put our electric service in.
Pupunta kami na aming puhukayin. I told everyone that my tongue is painful, that's why I can't speak very well.
That'll be a mess if you do it just right. No, go ahead. Go ahead, let's see. Leave the electrician enough to work with.
Later I like this.
Yeah, but you gotta be able to unroll it without dragging the lines.
Bulimbod lang ina.
That's good. Just leave the electrician enough. Ton, is he gonna have to bring it down? He might need enough to bring it all the way down. Maybe? Well, he's gonna have to break it. He's gotta go in through the box, so it's okay. He's gotta cut it anyway and put it down. Okay. Alright, let's go.
I like this.
Yeah, he's gonna have to tie it into the line. Alright, let's go. me to do that? I don't mind it here.
Abang mapatiyo ko ito.
Haji ka na tagani pa. Ya, puste mo. Kaan sa binit ano? Para ho, pasal dito. Ako di ka na taan mo pala puste.
Dapat hinubad na ito ko dapat tiyo bro.
Sino?
Ito gali.